Lesson 2, Body Paragraph Number 1 by Marisela Gonzalez. In the previous lesson, you learned how to write a grabber, produce background information, produce statistical or anecdotal information, and write a thesis. Now you are viewing Lesson 2, where you will learn how to formulate a body paragraph number 1. Hope you enjoy. The following lesson will be divided into 4 steps. Step number 1. You will arrange the topic 1, T1, of your thesis within the first sentence of your body paragraph number 1. Step number 2. Develop a fact about your topic and support your stated fact. Step number 3. Write a figurative language sentence that directly correlates to the topic at hand. And finally, step number 4. Create a statement sentence that will sum up your body paragraph number 1. Step number 1, Topic 1, T1. You will arrange the topic 1 of your thesis within the first sentence of your body paragraph number 1. For example, by attending after-school tutoring, a student's grades may improve and they'll gain more confidence in school. Now we know that this is a thesis that we used for our introduction. So if we look at it, we can tell that grades may improve is T1, which is our topic 1. And we know that we have to use our T1 of the thesis within the first sentence of the body paragraph number 1. Therefore, you must now formulate the first sentence of your body paragraph number 1 based off of this topic. The following are some possible sentences to use. After-school tutoring will help raise student grades, or after-school tutoring will help a student's grades improve. For the purpose of our essay, I've gone ahead and chosen after-school tutoring will help raise students' grades. Both of them are appropriate. However, I've gone ahead and picked the first one, which we will implement in our essay. Step 2, Developing Facts. Develop a fact about your topic in the form of a statement sentence, and then support your stated fact. This will be the second sentence in your body paragraph number 1. Ask yourself, what facts do you know about the topic, benefits of after-school tutoring? Think. Possible responses. As part of our statement sentence and support, we have gone ahead and broken that down. So some possible responses are, teachers may lack time to review during class, and so tutoring can assist in reinforcing classroom lessons. Students benefit from more personalized instruction when teachers hold conventions after school. Some children are hesitant to ask for help during class, and so after-school tutoring allows for that possibility. Attending after-school tutoring sessions helps to build student responsibility by allowing students a choice to attend or not. For the purpose of our essay, I've gone ahead and chosen the first one, which includes a statement and a support. Teachers may lack time to review during class, and so tutoring can assist in reinforcing classroom lessons. Now go ahead and look at the reflection note. Make sure that you have a clear and controlling idea or ideas behind what you write, and that they are all related to the controlling idea and are focused to the topic specified in your prompt. By sustaining this focus, you will be able to create an essay that is unified and coherent. I have chosen to use the following developing fact for our essay. Teachers may lack time to review, and so tutoring can assist in reinforcing classroom lessons. Note: development of ideas. Remember that the development of ideas is effective when you use details and examples that are specific and well chosen, adding substance to the essay. Make sure your essay is thoughtful and engaging. You may choose to use your unique experiences or view of the world as a basis for writing, or to connect ideas in interesting ways. Step number 3. Using a figurative language sentence. Write a figurative language sentence that directly correlates to the topic at hand. Figurative language. Writers use language carefully to interest the reader, paint a picture, create a feeling or tone. Figurative language terms that you should be familiar with: symbolism, idioms, hyperbole, sarcasm, onomatopoeia, imagery, sensory details, personification, simile, and metaphor. Figurative language review. The following is a brief overview of some figurative language definitions and examples that you should already be familiar with. Remember that you must incorporate one figurative language sentence in each body paragraph. Idiom. An expression that doesn't exactly mean what the words say. Example: she spilled the beans, which means she talked too much and told the secret. Simile. A comparison of two things by using the words like or as. Example: as tall as a giraffe. Metaphor. A comparison in which one thing is said to be another. Example: my mom is a teddy bear. Onomatopoeia. A word that imitates the sound it represents. Example: splash, pop, bang. All of these words sound as how they are written. Onomatopoeia. Figurative language brainstorming. Possible figurative language choices for our body paragraph number 1. Keep in mind your topic: benefits of after-school tutoring. Put your thinking cap on. The opportunity to get one-on-one study assistance is do or die. Hyperbole. Obviously, it's not do or die. No one is going to die. So therefore, it's an extreme exaggeration. After having tutoring sessions, the students' accomplishments will undoubtedly be bright like the sun. Simile. We are comparing using like. Comparing to unlike things using like. Therefore, it is a simile. Students should not drop the ball by thinking that tutoring will not improve their grade point average. Idiom. We're not literally saying that they'll drop the ball, as in a literal ball. Therefore, it is an idiom. The lack of a good education is the giant elephant in the room. We're comparing the lack of good education as being a giant elephant in the room. Therefore, it is a metaphor, comparing to unlike things. From the above list, I have chosen to use the following figurative language sentence for our essay. Students should not drop the ball by thinking that tutoring will not improve their grade point average. And finally, step number 4, the statement sentence. Create a statement sentence that will sum up your body paragraph number 1. A statement sentence asserts or declares a fact, option, or idea. It is also called an assertive sentence or a declarative sentence and is the most common type of sentence. I have chosen to use the following statement sentence for our essay. Overall, tutoring will help to strengthen those key concepts that students need while helping to improve their academic standing. Note: as you construct your expository essay, make sure that you avoid repeating the same words. This tends to make your essay seem redundant. Our body paragraph number 1 now looks like this. After-school tutoring will help raise student grades. Teachers may lack time to review during class, and so tutoring can assist in reinforcing classroom lessons. After having tutoring sessions, the students' accomplishments will undoubtedly be bright like the sun. Therefore, students should not drop the ball by thinking that tutoring will improve their grade point average. Overall, tutoring will help to strengthen those key concepts the students need while helping to improve their academic standing. Now that we have completed our body paragraph number 1, we are ready to move on to the next module, lesson number 3, where we will learn how to formulate body paragraph number 2. Remember to continue to pay close attention to the special notes icon that you will see appear at the bottom of each module. This will help to ensure that you remain mindful of your writing. Always double check that you are using proper writing mechanics and grammar throughout your essay. Go ahead and move on to that module.